In this video, I'm going to show you how you can indicate the pay periods on a schedule. In there, the pay periods here are their work weeks were run from Sunday to Saturday. And so what I've done here is I have the weekday function in this line here, and I have every time there's a 1, which would indicate a Sunday. So the weekday function is working off these dates below it. And if it's a 1, it's a Sunday. And so I've conditionally formatted this line so that if it's a 1, then it appears to be red. And that way we can indicate where the weeks are. Now to indicate the pay periods, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run my macro. And now you have the pay periods all indicated. So you have 1 to 26 here until the end of the year, and you have all the pay periods specified on the worksheet. Let me show you the code how I did this. So here is my code. It's called pay periods. Now R and C are for columns, and it's long. Pay period is a count of the pay periods, and week is as long. Now I've set the pay period to 0. I've set my row and my column, and for columns 2 to 366, so it's taking all the whole year. And now week is the application worksheet function week number, and it's taking the week number from the date on the sheet. Now, what it's doing is it's selecting the first date, and if the active cell value equals 1, so if it's a Sunday, then the week number mod 2, which is like if it's an even, so mod 2, it's divided by 2. If it equals 0, then it's an even number. Then what you're going to do is you're going to increase the number of the pay period, so it's going to be pay period plus 1. And then what you're going to do is ActiveCell.Offset. So you're going up 1 row and 2 rows over, and then you're putting in the words pay period, and then you're putting in a space, and you're putting in pay period number here. And then that's the end if and next column. So this is very simple, and I will, of course, include this code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.